back with another Away Luggage video. A few months ago, I purchased the Away Luggage bigger carry-on flex. I did a video about it here and received a lot of questions about it and wanted to kind of give an update. And in that video, I did say that I was going to buy another one, and I did. And so we're going to talk about that today. So the Away Luggage I purchased in the color Petal, which is not for everyone. I know I did carry this on. We went to Frankfurt, Germany recently, and I carried this on, and it was fantastic. I have checked this bag, and it did okay. It has some scuffs on it, which I haven't cleaned it yet, but nothing really that noticeable. And I loved it so much that I wanted to get something bigger. So I just purchased the Away Luggage medium. So to clarify, this is the medium. This is not the flex. So this bag does not expand, which I did on purpose. The biggest reason is because this bag is currently on sale. So the color Petal in the medium is on sale. If you want to go to the flex is full price. So these bags are not cheap. Let me tell you a little bit about the dimensions, and I'm going to show you around the bag. Okay, so I have the website pulled up. This bag measures 26 inches by 18.5 inches by 11 inches, and it weighs 9.9 pounds. It does have the TSA lock on the top. It's essentially the same bag on the inside as the bigger carry-on flex, but just bigger. But the two biggest differences are, it does not have the expandable zipper. So this is what it is. It cannot expand. The other part is that the flex has the removable interior lining. The lining on the suitcase is not removable. Other than that, it's essentially the same, besides being just a bigger bag. This bag has to be checked. This is not a carry-on bag. You do have to check it through, which of course, being in the color Petal does make me a little bit nervous because it is gonna get scuffed and I'm gonna be heartbroken, but it'll be fine. But it's the same color, the same design. It's just bigger. So let's look at the inside. Okay, but first I do want to show you the combination lock. It's set at 0 right now, and then you basically just push the little thing to get the zipper to pop out. Now, I did have to Google a little bit to see how to set it, but this little thing right here, I just took a safety pin and I pushed it in, set the combo lock, and that's how you set it. And then of course the TSA can open the suitcase right here, and it is a TSA approved lock. I also want to show you the handle. It has this nice, it has a very low profile, if you can see that handle, that you can just stick your hand in. It does have the retractable pull handle. The thing that I have to mention is that when you have the two suitcases, at least for the bigger carry-on flex and the medium, when you have these two retractable handles all the way out, they are the same height. So it makes it very easy to push through the airport when you have two suitcases, because even though this one is checked, if you're carrying one on and checking one, you're gonna have two suitcases for a portion of your trip. So I like that they are the same height. And then there's also a side handle right here, which, as you can see, has that nice low profile so it doesn't catch on anything. And then it kind of expands. You see that when you put your hand in it. And then of course it has the 4 360-degree spinners. And let me tell you that gliding these suitcases through the airport or even through the streets, we drug ours through the streets of Germany, and it was so easy. Even the cobblestone streets, unlike other suitcases, my son has a Samsonite, and it was like a nightmare with his suitcase compared to mine. So I took his and he actually took mine, which does mean that we will likely be purchasing more Away suitcases, specifically the carry-on for shorter trips, because it's just so much easier, especially for, my son is 9, for a 9-year-old to handle on the streets of Europe. So those are the feet. Okay, so I just set this up on my bench. I normally wouldn't do it because the feet would be filthy, but it's brand new. It's never been rolled outside. I have not used this yet, so I thought it would be easier to kind of show you around the suitcase. So like the other Away suitcases, there are, of course, two sides. It is split in half, and then on this side, it has the zippered area. where you can put like shoes, toiletry, clothes, but it does keep it contained in this portion of the suitcase. And then on this side, I feel like this is the side that really sets Away Luggage apart. So of course, every piece of Away Luggage comes with a dirty clothes bag, a laundry bag in this little pouch right here. I'm not gonna take it out. And then it has this compression sleeve, I guess we'll call it. So in the sleeve, it does have pouch, and it does come with it's not a magic eraser, but it's essentially a magic eraser. It says Scuff Happens, and then I think this is everything you need to know about your suitcase. It's just a little information card, and in the box it also comes with a luggage tag, and that's kind of on the top of the box. I didn't bring it up, but this is really, I feel like, what sets the Away Luggage apart is this compression panel, compression sleeve, because a lot of suitcases just have these straps, and then you just put your clothes in there, and then the straps kind of just hold down those two kind of pieces. And then, at least for me, because I'm a bit of an overpacker, outside of that strap it like totally poofs up, and it doesn't really do a whole lot other than keep it all in there. But when you have this compression sleeve, so here you see, when you have this compression sleeve, all of your clothes will go in there, and then it'll keep all of them really down and nice and tight and compressed, so you can fit more in there. So that's the medium suitcase. I did consider getting the large suitcase, and I have a friend who just got the large, and he said that, you know, he's an overpacker as well and loved it. The reason why I got the medium instead of the large is a couple reasons. Sometimes I do travel by myself, and the large, I do have a really large suitcase, which is almost the same dimensions as the large, and it's kind of hard for me to manage at times if I have to carry it up or down stairs, which sometimes happens when, you know, like there's no elevator, or just overall to drag around. It can be difficult. And as I read reviews online, the most common problem with the large is that because it does hold so much, you can overpack, and then you pay baggage, you know, fees, overweight fees, which I didn't want to do. So in my head, what I'm thinking is that I have the medium, which I can check, and if everything doesn't fit in the medium, I can use the bigger carry-on flex. So I can use two pieces of luggage and have like a backpack. I usually carry a backpack that fits over like the handle of my carry-on. I feel like I could probably fit more in those three pieces than just having the larger suitcase and having to manage that. So we will see. I do have a trip coming up. I'm going to use this suitcase. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to New York City, and I'm taking the subway. We're moving around a little bit. So we'll see if there's no elevator, if I'm able to carry this suitcase up the stairs if need be. I'm a little bit nervous. My plan is just to use this and my backpack. So if you are interested in a piece of Away Luggage, go ahead and look in the description box below. I have a coupon that if you purchase a piece, you get $20 off, and then I get $20 off my next purchase, which means I definitely will be purchasing another piece. If you have questions about Away Luggage, which on my last video I did receive a lot of questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. I personally love this luggage. I know it's pricey, it's definitely an investment, but it is, I think, definitely worth it. I know a lot of people that purchase new luggage, you know, every year or two because it wears out or it just didn't fit their needs. I don't feel like with Away Luggage that seems to be the case. These are investment pieces that you'll have for a long time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!